Hey everybody, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates. Today we are doing a paver repair slash renovation. I did a video, I think it was last year, on this project. We initially looked at it. It was in the process of being sold, and then the seller decided not to do the work, but the buyer did, so they contacted us as well, and I gave them a quote that I gave the seller, and then we've had a couple meetings, so now we're going ahead and doing the work. So let me switch the camera around here, hang tight, and I'll show you what we got. So the restoration work is going to include everything from this walkway down to the lake. And again, the installation was fairly poorly done, unfortunately, because there is a lot of it. I will link to the video. I did a thorough assessment of it when I first came, and I'll post that video up and link to it in this one. But this is basically the top terrace, and it goes all the way down to the lake, and there's actually 6 terraces here. But what we're going to do is the homeowners actually set a budget to restore this. Obviously we want to, to an extent. Obviously they're not going to be able to afford doing the entire repair work, but they want to get it back looking at least somewhat decent and less of a maintenance issue. So we're going to clean the pavers, resand these. We're going to reset a few pavers, but more of it's going to be a safety thing than anything else. So these steps going down through here, I'll try to go down these without killing myself. There are 6 terraces here, and each one of these staircases are quite treacherous. So again, there's that gazebo over here, but there's pavers and there's wall block and there's steps and staircases all over this place. So we have a priority list with what we're going to deal with. We've set a budget for repair, so we're going to go down through a priority list and do as much as we possibly can within that budget, and then we'll have to just call it from there. So again, first priority is obviously safety. So we're going to tackle all of the capstones first, and on the main staircase, and then we'll start resetting some pavers. And again, there's issues, and I noted this on the other video from an installation standpoint, where at this point there's nothing that we can do with a repair scope that will fix the problem, which was improper installation to begin with. So the homeowners, they have a good attitude about it. They're just going to play the hand that they're dealt and try to fix it up as best we possibly can, make it safe and enjoyable, and go from there. So, and then the main portion of pavers down through here, these were really settled along the seawall. So we're just going to elevate those, raise those back up. The homeowners actually pulled 3 rows of those for us, so we'll be re-leveling those and setting those back up. And then we'll start up these staircases. And then again, once we're all done with the repair and we've dealt with that scope of work, then we'll come through, do a wash down on at least the pavers and the top of the caps. They didn't elect to go with the wall cleaning, but that can always come down the road, because obviously once we get the repair work done, we're going to want to come in with an annual cleaning and do the eco wash on there. But yeah, so that's the scope of what we're dealing with this week and next. So we will do some update videos as we complete the work.